dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals.
What's good, YouTube? And I made this little video for y'all to let y'all know, subscribe to my channel right now. I'm just kidding, y'all, but make sure y'all subscribe because I want y'all to be able to see my videos and see what I upload next, you know. So yeah, make sure y'all click that subscribe button down below. Love ya. What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get this sleek back look. Like, I don't really know what the name to call it for, but you see in the thumbnail how it looks. So I just deep conditioned my hair with that shampoo I just showed you, the Argan Oil one, and deep conditioned it with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Deep Conditioner by Shea Moisture. And now all I'm gonna do is just detangle my hair, get all the kinks out. It's important that you have no tangles when you do this style. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this anti-itch scalp spray that my boyfriend gave me. Thank you, baby. And I'm just spraying it on my scalp because, y'all, I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you. Eco Styler make my hair itch bad. Like, my hair is cool, my scalp is cool until I use Eco Styler, and then it start itching like wildfire. Like, I'm telling you, like, it be itching bad. And I'm not trying to, like, stop Eco Styler, you know, little hustle, whatever, or whatever like that, but I'm just speaking from my experience in all honesty. But if it doesn't do that to your hair and if it works for you, keep using it. At first I ignored the fact, but you know, so I kept using it. I ignored the fact that my hair was itching. I thought it was like because I shampoo my hair too much or something, but I have been shampooing my hair often, like once a week for years, so I know it wasn't that. So you just see me sectioning my hair off, spraying it on my scalp, and it's gonna have a very cooling effect. Very cooling. You're gonna feel it working. That means it's working. And after like about 10-15 minutes, it's gonna die down. It isn't irritating or anything, but it feels good actually. And yeah. So you just see me spraying it on there, then you're gonna see me massaging in my head.
That probably take her.
Okay, so by now my hair kind of dried up a bit. When I don't have anything but just water in my hair and no product, it dries pretty quickly. So I'm just spraying my hair with water and a little bit of conditioner mixed in. And I'm just spraying it on my head to get it back wet because you want your hair to be dripping wet for this hairstyle to look good and for it to work. That is essential. Okay, so now I'm taking this pink brush that you see me combing my hair with. I like this because it's good at defining my curls, so that's why I'm using it. And I made this video especially for people who was always like, I want my hair curly at school. I don't know why I said her. I want my hair curly at school like last week or a week ago, and everybody was like, oh, what did you do to get it curly? Did you do a braid out? Did you do a band tune out? And honestly, y'all, all I did is wet it and put gel in it. What you see me doing in this video, like, you know, my hair is just naturally curly by itself. So I made this to just show y'all, like, that's how I get it like that. Okay, so now that all of my hair is brushed to the back, you're just gonna see me taking little bitty pieces, like little strings. You don't have to do this, but I just feel like it gives it a cuter look. It just makes it look cute. And then I'm gonna take this Super Look Gel by Wetline. I got this from the dollar store, it was only $1. And this don't make my head itch, unlike Eco Styling. And I just put a whole lot. You wanna put a good amount on the top of your head because you don't want that part to move. You want it to be super duper slick. So you're gonna see me putting a good amount on there. And then I'm just gonna finish doing that a little bit. And another thing I like about this gel is it doesn't make my hair super crunchy. Like, it has a crunch and a hold, but it doesn't make it like hard. Like, if you touch, you can feel, I don't know how to explain, but yeah. Okay, so now take your brush and just brush all the hair back. Okay. I just put a little bit more gel because I just needed that extra secureness, okay? And then I'm just going to put some on the ends of my hair. This is just going to define the curls at the ends. And I'm generous with this. Like, I'm heavy-handed with it on the ends. And I just rake that through my hair. Okay, so now I just want to get my toothbrush, and it's time to do the little baby hairs. This part is optional. You don't have to do this. Like I said, this part just makes the hairstyle more extra, more cute. So then I'm just doing my edges. You know, it ain't no specific way. You just swoop them, do them, hook them up, make them how you like it. And y'all could just watch how I'm doing it right here. So, yeah.
That probably take her.
So, I'm just taking my blow dryer and just trying, like, you'll see me dry the ends a little bit, but I kind of try to fray away from that, stay away from that, and just dry the top of my head where the gel is, like where I want it to be sleek at, because I kind of want to let the bottom part dry on its own, because you just gonna get better results that way, I figured. So I just dry the top, just blow dry the top, and I have it on cool setting, cool low setting. I'm drying my edges and all that. A moment to like just look at how on fleek my waves is. Like, come on. This has to be about the easiest hairstyle I ever did. But this is the finished look. I hope y'all love it, because I sure do. And I hope y'all like this. Make sure y'all subscribe and comment below. Love ya.